Hi folks, and welcome to Etna Plants Nursery. Today we want to show you the award-winning shovel called Root Slayer. This is a multi-purpose shovel that can eliminate the need for other tools such as hatchets, pry bars and saws when simply digging around your garden. You can see there's a very long blade. The blade length is 13 inches. The width of the blade is nearly 11 inches. It has these dents on the side that cut through roots or soil with ease. It's a very strong shovel. This is certified to be more than 150% stronger than other comparable tools. And here is in action. You can see this little thing at the top there where you can put your foot. Very comfortable to use and to push down the garden, the soil. It's really a fantastic shovel. We offer it at €55 plus shipping of €14 anywhere in Ireland. Thank you for watching.